How to find general settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find general settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and click these three lines here and then just click settings. Here you will find general. You can manage you can manage here notifications and language and clean storage and video quality, and that's it. And now just manage any new ones and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.